welcome back to my channel. It's Sally again. Today I'm at UNSW Business School and I'm going to let you guys follow me around as I interact with this amazing new team that have teamed up with UNSW Connect to create a new app called Ping. Ping is basically going to be a speed-friending app that's going to help students around UNSW connect with people that are within their school faculty and also outside. And I'm going to introduce you guys and I'm going to show you around their amazing new headquarters. Helen, the Director of Marketing. Helen, tell us what you do for Ping.
So as the Director of Marketing, my job includes researching the customer trends and the customer segments and finding out which delivery channels provide the best value for our consumers.
Oh, that's actually really interesting. Do you mind if I can introduce the rest of your team members?
Sure.
Thank you. I'm joined by Justin, the Head of IT for Ping. Justin, tell us what you do.
Well, I'm in charge of designing the features and the functions and the risk assessment of the app Ping. And I'm also in charge of the management, strategy and execution of the IT infrastructure.
Oh, okay. That's really interesting. I'm joined by Vivian, the Chief Operations Officer for Ping. Vivian, can you please tell me what you do?
Yeah, sure. So I'm involved in the actual content creation of the app. I also oversee business operations to ensure everything's going smoothly. In my role, I'm also in charge of aiming to maximize the value that we give to our users, both internally and externally.
Oh, okay.
So last but not least, we're here with our Chief Information Officer, Pooja. Could you tell us a bit about what you do?
Of course I can. So basically, I'm involved in managing our customer and supplier relationship management by using information systems to keep track of our delivery channels. And this is actually an activity that I have to work quite closely with Vivian to, so that I can oversee our key activities.
Thanks.
Director of Marketing, I believe that value proposition and customer segment analysis are the key to Ping's success in the mobile app industry. UNSW is one of Australia's most cosmopolitan universities, with many students coming from diverse backgrounds and cultures. We have more than 11,000 international students from 130 different countries, with the majority hailing from China, Malaysia, USA, Korea and India. We want to target specifically those in the business school, which consists of around 12,700 students, but also foster connections between different faculties and between international and local students. Hence, Ping encompasses the social aspects of university life, with an emphasis on addressing the social challenges of adjusting to a new environment. This is also in alliance with our business model, which aims to provide an effective and efficient way to provide company and security to those students in need of company. For our Ping customers, we want to take an in-depth analysis into the demographics of students at UNSW today, looking at their age, gender, ethnicities, and their socio-economic backgrounds. For instance, first-year students may take time adjusting to university learning, which expects more autonomy than what they're used to. At Ping, our target market is the younger half of Generation Y, which includes students aged 17 to 30. We have found from recent research that Gen Y students tend to be quick decision makers. They are comfortable with technology and tend to have a multimodal learning style. The ratio of male to female students at UNSW is approximately 54% male to 46% female, so we want to facilitate interactions between the two genders. We also understand that business students come from different socio-economic backgrounds, so some may come from disadvantaged circumstances and have a lack of social networks or community support. Hence, Ping allows students to build their social capital by fostering connections through mutual interests, as well as the opportunity for mentorship from Connect staff to address their questions and needs. As UNSW is a melting pot of students from diverse backgrounds, we want to make sure that Ping provides a valuable learning opportunity for students in the business school community. 23% of Australians are born overseas, and Asian ethnicity comprises the largest international student group at UNSW. We understand that what international students want most is understanding and support. So Ping is able to provide that with a Meet Strangers option, whereby they're able to connect with students of similar interests on the app and chat virtually before deciding to meet.
That's going to determine the success of Ping as a social media app is whether or not Ping can effectively and efficiently manage our delivery channels, as well as establish and foster customer relationships. Currently, we're proposing a reward system to our customers whereby Ping allows students to unlock achievements for the number of occasions they've been to a restaurant or a university site or even eaten with a friend. Our delivery channel is going to begin at the Apple Store and the Android App Store as facilitators of Ping as an application and mobile social networking site. ARC is going to be our key supplier in our delivery channel, as they are a supplier of information and guidance as a contractor and to give us advice regarding how to be successful as providers of content. We are going to be part of our delivery channel, and we're going to take advantage of the mobile network and internet capabilities of the 21st century in order to facilitate communication between individuals, regardless of whether they're students or teaching staff. Our delivery channel is going to move on to our industry partners, whereby we plan to offer rewards in the form of vouchers for students, such as free coffee or drinks to celebrate their achievements. This in collaboration with our industry partners such as ARC and the UNSW Business Society, as well as franchises on campus such as Boost, Sharety and Campus. One of our key partners is going to be Student ARC, and this is going to be done so that we can get help with fundraising initiatives, as well as ARC being an intermediary to help us establish industry partnerships with businesses and societies around UNSW campus. Also, ARC is going to serve as a wealth of information and will be integrated into our delivery channel to increase the viability of Ping as an app that's beneficial to UNSW Connect. Another partnership that we're going to establish is with UNSW Business Society. Partnering with UNSW Business Society relates to our overall theme of increasing the social capital of our students. We're aiming to equip our graduates with key employable skills that ensures that UNSW students graduate as students with the highest chance of being given graduate positions at top firms. As a social resource, Ping is going to have significant value as it allows students the opportunity to mentor each other and to help achieve mutual success by building a university-wide network. This allows them to access information and resources about classmates, societies, and initiatives that are run within UNSW to ensure that the social capital that's built by our students is meaningful and is going to help them in the future. We want to be able to reach our customers through online advertisements on the Student ARC as well as the UNSW Business School website. Word of mouth promotional strategies can also bring positive effects to increase the popularity of the app, as well as an online click-only site such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. These e-commerce advertising strategies will assist in reducing advertising costs through implementing cost-efficient click-only websites. The introduction of customer relationship management systems is going to be a key to succeed in a highly competitive social media market. The CRM system we're introducing is Insightly, which will improve customer relationships as the workflow automation sends out emails, updates records, contacts external emails in order to increase the efficiency in promotion of the app. Key activities are determined through the business value chain model, whereby we will add value through each critical leverage point. Our primary activities includes operations, whereby we will develop and innovate features for the app, sales and marketing for revenue raising opportunities, and deliver the service component by benchmarking our efficiency and effectiveness by maintaining our application software and functionality. Two key supporting features that add margins of value to our value chain model is utilizing innovative technology to enhance existing features such as geotagging and implementing new features through original technology and information which links to our operations. Furthermore, through workplace planning systems, we will utilize human resources to create a function and aesthetically appealing applications to maintain a competitive advantage in a highly competitive market.
In terms of technologies and key resources, first of all, Ping operates as a location-based mobile commerce. What this means is that we're taking advantage of cellular networks, Wi-Fi networks, as well as GPS functionality to offer vital information that is tailor-made to consumers. In addressing the technology aspect, this ties in with the concept of real-time access to information, as the nature of our app is to ensure that information is effectively and efficiently disseminated to internal users. Another key resource that our app will utilize is proprietary information, which will be protected through intrusion detection technologies such as PayPal and Norton antivirus. These technologies prevent, detect, and remove malware, protecting users and their data from intruders. Furthermore, Google Maps will also be used to facilitate our freemium feature, along with asynchronous collaboration tools such as discussion boards and web technologies. Together, these technologies and key resources will allow our app to operate effectively as a location-based mobile commerce.
For students, Ping is designed as a speed-friendly application which aims to allow students to create a social network on the UNSW campus. By using the app, labour input is reduced for students to actively search for friends within their general vicinity, offering a competitive advantage whilst allowing them to build vital networking skills. After signing up, users are able to create a personalized profile, listing details such as their name, age, degree, and any hobbies or interests. They will also be able to create avatars and stickers, building their online identity in an attempt to connect with other solitary individuals. As well as this, Ping's homepage offers a variety of functions and features that will prove largely useful to students. For instance, the map feature of the app shows students places on campus that they have previously eaten at with particular friends, logging the frequency of these visits. Similarly, the reward feature offers food and drink vouchers for some of these places on campus. The ping button itself works to ping individuals in the general vicinity of the user to randomly match you up with an individual to share lunch with. For staff, this app provides a valuable opportunity for mentorship from the Connect staff in order to address the questions and needs of students through tools such as forums. It could benefit Connect through being used as a database of big data for in-house research, as well as a platform for mobile marketing. This would provide additional capability of e-information to use this information as a method of dissemination of future events facilitated by Connect, reducing costs and materials needed related to these endeavors, and using e-integration in the future to allow customers to access dynamic customized information.
To combat this issue, we've installed a safety button to allow for instantaneous communication from perceived threats. Users will nominate a safety friend, who will receive a notification informing them of their location and their friend's predicament and their ping match. Use of location-based systems raises personal security concerns, as information acts as a record of an individual's movements and activities, which can then be used by third parties to locate their precise location. To combat this, users will be given the option to turn off their location services to maintain privacy. Leveraging on existing apps such as Universe is another challenge. However, our premium feature provides a competitive advantage to the location services and through real-time data features.
Okay guys, so I just want to say thank you for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed following Ping Incorporated around as they introduced themselves and also as they did their formal video pitch. If you like this video, thumbs up and